Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's create this cloth simulation in Cinema 4D in under 4 minutes so that there's this cloth that will be colliding with an object resulting in wrinkles on the cloth that will make the cloth look realistic. Click on Mode, Project, Simulation, Scene, set the gravity to 0 centimeters so that the cloth won't fall down. Create a cloth. Hold the left click button, click on Plane. Change the width segments and the height segments to 200. Right click on the plane, click on Connect Objects and Delete so that we can create the cloth kind of effects for this plane. And then you can use any object that will collide with the cloth, for example this 3D logo of tongue tips. And then the wrinkles will shape the logo of tongue tips as we view the cloth from here. And then the cloth will be attracted upwards. But before that, right click on the cloth object, simulation text cloth so that it acts as the cloth. Change the bendiness into 9999, and then afterwards the target length to 110%. Right click on extrude, which is the 3D logo, simulation tags, collider so that it collides with the cloth. To attract the cloth upwards so that the wrinkles can be formed as the cloth is collided with the 3D logo of tongue tips. Click on animate. Simulate. Forces attractor. Drag it upwards. Put it above all of the objects. And then change the strength to 300. And then we need to lock the edges of the cloth so that they don't get attracted upwards. They will stay in place. To do this, click on edges. Click on the cloth object. Double click on the side so that all of the sides which form the longer side or the edge are selected. Hold the shift key, double click on it again to select the remaining edges, just like this. And then afterwards, click on the cloth expression, click on dresser, click on set next to fixed points. Oh, sorry. Hold the control key on your keyboard, select points, and then click on set to lock the points. The edges of the cloth will not be attracted upwards. And then all we have to do is to smoothen the cloth. Click on subdivision surface, drag the cloth object into subdivision surface, and then go back to the cloth expression and then click on cache, and then click on calculate cache so that we can have a render preview of the cloth simulation or animation, or the forming of the wrinkles on the cloth surface. When you're done, drag the rotation icon so that we can have a look at the cloth upside down. Click on play. Fancy, the wrinkles look really realistic, especially when it collides with the 3D logo of tongue tips, just like this. It will do so well if you want to reveal a logo of your brand. And that's how you can create this cloth simulation in Cinema 4D so that you can add wrinkles on your cloth. Thank you for watching, give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day, ciao!